up wasn't a part of the plan, dog.
Almighty God, today I'm so excited, guys, because run your pen. As you know, can see, pen me go. And I get ready if you go up on the road. Let's show you what I'm going in there. Your body in there. I get ready if you go up on the road. Because guys, we're heading to the beautifulest parish in Jamaica to get one of the most beautiful Nubian rams I've ever seen, man. We are last time, dog. Like, that's crazy. The fuck? I go for my ram today. We are go for pussy pest today, like, guys. We are go for the man himself today. He drive up on the way I come for me. But there's a shoot intro because I need you know, to know say I go on the road. You see me? Someone just want to stay tuned for your journey. Remember, like, share, subscribe. We just need to get the watch time now for YouTube start. Moonlight, you know? Like, share, subscribe. I'm there. I'm going to shot everything. Catch you know when I go in that vehicle. You see me? Board it up. So guys, they're on the road now. As you see me do my intro this morning. They're on the road now. And they go. On the tour now. On the tour road. Big one. Guys, it's a beautiful day outside today. It's a beautiful day outside today, guys. I feel like we should have. I just 8:40 and we are got town now, you see me? As we look at the room for work in the basement. At Portland, we are going to chat. So that's you know. And father. And the driver there hold it down, you know. I go on the Portland, bro. I'm not up the road, you know. Road, I be a road here now, guys, you know. Yeah, man. So remember that, but I always tell you, bro. I tell you, say a big man ball game from over here, guys. They even know if you not hear me. I tell you, say a big man ball game from over here, guys. And I go see it now. You see me? The animal thing, I go up on one different level. You see me? Farming, I go up on different level. You see me? And me I start think about we start post back on my next channel, you see me? But that's a wrap, you know? I go show on the road and I'm gonna see what I go on. Meanwhile we are going to Portland, you know? That Portland is a beautiful parish. I don't know if my mic can take up a one feel bring back a scent, you know? Not just a ram. Probably a female who can come work on the farm. You see me? I'm not going to give no fit check, but you know the next stop we stop. I jump out, go get some food again. Begin a fit check. You see me, I mean Mocho and bus boy there. How you do? Your food? Your phone? Wait. Zombokli, Zambidangi, Bombokla, Zambidangina, Zambi phone in the sub guys. Zambidangina. That's weird. Let me see if I can't help you. Wait, man. I can't help you, man. Wait. Guys, I'm gonna drop the phone, guys. Youth. Bro, I just don't like to be at home, guys. I like to be outside, you know? And it's a miraculous moment when we have life when we're outside, you know? Yeah. But remember, Dapper Dan said that. Remember, like, share, subscribe to the post notification bell. And from the soul, give it, see me when I grab pussy press, you see me? But until then, at Portland, we are going, you see me? So, me catch you now on the road. You see me? Seeing with them pretty figure Portland. You know that? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That I'm on 6 hours worth of driving already gone down the drain, boy. We reach us up. 6 hours worth of driving, dog. But my side, we are looking for one sign with Daryl Valls, one big sign with Daryl Valls. Yeah, it will look at them return up. I know where I go find someone, I just have to find Daryl Valls, a straight road. Hey guys, we got bro foot right now, you see me? Yeah man. I live far, you know, so I catch on the back when we are going foot, you see me? With the around the part of one up in the hills and it's very far. I can see that it's far. Big sign with Daryl Valls on me, see the last time man. No, just stand the blow yourself. You know see that? The blow them not stand at all. You love you sound logic so not happen some place. See a St. Alone in Harbour, Treasure Beach, Parati. They turn in a new city. New levels. New. See that guys. Alright. So I don't know see we are Chap Road. You see me over there Portland already, you see me? I go up in a hills or Gennasyde you know, so we just take a look at time, try to find the navigation and turn off go. You see me good guy dog food. Guys, so we just reach a Jenna, you know, there you know see him. But Salaman boy, me carry Salaman come here now, me carry Salaman come here now boy. Yeah, from a Swaby. Stop right to Sonico. Reach a Jenna. You don't know where Jenna is? We know reach a Jenna, Salaman! Reach a Jenna, reach a boom, clean. That's why man big, bro. That's why man big. Guys, we reach a Jenna. You didn't feel. Them say yard me a pull up and you don't know that, you know. How your name? I not remember how your name. Gennasyde. He see me. When he see me, guys. Chat, he see me. You boys see me. You boys see me. Yeah, boy, dapper. Panicking, can't believe say I put him there in foot. You boy panicking, can't believe say I put me there. Hear him? Yeah, hear him. How that? Hey, boy, dapper. He can't believe say I put me there, chat. And you see how go on? We're there, guys. We're there upon the block. Look on the man, brother. Look on the man, Jenna. Platinum. Look on Salaman, you. Salaman. Almighty Jade. Look on Salaman, chat. Chat, look on Salaman. A Salaman this, you know, brother. Me carry this man. Alright, look here. Flashback. I man this. Me I go up the go show me. Him me come to see. That's all. You me feel good, me there man foot bro, me there Gennasyde genetics. You see me, you don't feel like I cannot joke. Don't feel like I cannot joke, Jenna de pan. Don't feel like I not joke. Don't feel like I no joke. See who me come to see I no chat. Yeah man. Look here. Look here. Look here. Yo. Salaman. Yo, this a go there we change it pound in brother. Easy no cause. Me carry this coming up a kid in cause. Kid me carry this coming in brother. Nobody not to shot me like a Solomon. Jenna, him big and him big with you. Him big with you. Me bumbo. Yo, him man massive. Yo, me carry this man when this man a kid chat. Funny man, brother. Bumbo clot. Jenna. Yo, this man a 300 pound cause. When I see this, I go to that. Yo, if one them not give man not justice, no, you mad. A YouTube. This a they not give man not justice, cause. Jenna, Malik Chibil, though.
Round them they are close.
Me want hold on a man foot in a youth. The man foot big and Jenna.
Big man.
Youth, the man say man big. The man massive cause. When the man head youth.
I'm solid man.
Me pussy. A father sweep me want see nobody out and set no big so. None out and set no big so.
Brother, me don't want to see back. I'm thin, brother.
Youth.
I am that part.
No, Kitan. Pretty. Give me a kiss, baby. Remember last time I come here, a little munchkin.
Yeah.
Man, the mission boy.
Yeah, man, on the room in the passage.
Oh, trouble. Show me trouble again. Show me trouble. Ah, trouble. Trouble.
No, the black one I feel hard. But how you look, you nearly want like two of them I feel because you see the two of them, so I wonder.
Oh.
Sweet be this, you know?
Who is going to jump?
Nobody.
Where have you made?
That me want to know.
Him big goat man. But I just not on my farm.
This I go to weigh about 300 pound, brother.
And that's why me ask the question, you know.
Brother, look on this I go to. Almighty Jade. Pretty. Bumbo clot. Almighty God. Jenna, me never bargain for this, you know, brother. Me never bargain for that. The man is too big, brother. Fit the man in a vehicle. You know, say my guys. Me soon chat back to him. I go chat to Jenna, you see me? Half the year. Wow.
Alright, G. Mad.
Man, hey. Monster. Stand up. Show them. Stand up.